Hello everyone, in this tutorials we are going to see how to write producer applications to send a string message. To write a producer application we have some prerequisite. So I have mentioned here that we need Java 8, Kafka and need an IDE, for example IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse to write an application. So these are development environment. These are the requirement, right? So I'm using IntelliJ IDEA, right? So this is my IntelliJ IDEA. Right. So what we have to do to write a producer application, first we have to create maven project. We need to add all required dependency in the pom.xml file, add log4j2 XML file, and finally we have to write producer class. So let's start creating a maven project. So I'm going to create a project here. So go to file menu, new, select project, and then we have to select maven from left panel. Go to next, and here select the location where we want to save. I want to save here my project, right? I set. Now I'll give the group ID like tu.cit.examples producer and artifact ID. Let's say I give producer example, right? And just click on finish. I want to open the same window, right? Now you can see here the POM file, right? So already it is added here, my group ID and the artifact ID, whatever I have mentioned before in the screen. Now I have to add all the dependencies, right? So we need Kafka client, we need Log4j. So I have all the list here. So what I will do is on file, these are dependencies, right? So I'll copy first, then I explain. So see here the dependencies, right? So I'm using Kafka client 2.4.0, let's say 2.4.0, and log4j for the logging, and then no need this Jackson, and the stream actually this is extra. We need minimum these things, right? So once we have added all the dependency, just write your build part so that you can compile and you can create your jar file, right? So there is the build. I'll copy here build from here, and you can see I have added here maven jar plugins here to build, and this is my package and the class name, right? So let me create package first here, and then I will add the same name, right? Go to the source main, inside Java, right click, go to new, select package, and you can give any name. So I give it u.cit.example.producer, right? And inside producer I can give, now I'll create the class simple producer, right? So the same name I will give in my POM file here, like first package name tu.cit.example.producer.class, the complete path. Now my POM file is ready. right? So once we have done with the POM file, what we have to do is go to the maven here, expand this, go to the life cycle, select clean and run. It will download all your dependencies, right? It will resolve all the dependency, no need to individually download and place here. So it is very handy, and then refresh it, right? So you can see here dependencies, right? So it has downloaded all my dependencies, what I have mentioned: Kafka client, log4j and the commons, right? Now I'm done my dependencies. You can see here, it will list here as well, right? So I'm ready with my dependencies, right? Now what we have to do is, I'm done with the dependencies. Now I have to add the log4j2 XML file. It's important, right, for the logging. So let me create log4j2.xml, right? And there is a content already I have. You can use the same one, right? Let me copy paste, right? And you need to, what you need to do, you have to change this part, right? Because maybe your package name is different. So to see here, my package name is tu.cit.examples.producer, right? This is mine. Now I'm done with log4j2 and the POM file, right? Now I'm going to write class here, right? So to write, I have mentioned here some steps, right? And finally write producer class, right? Now, so for writing a producer applications, first step, to configure the producer properties, right? So I'll create here properties, new properties, right? Prop dot put producer configurations. Now we are going to set all the configurations here. Producer configurations, let's start writing here, and configure producer config dot bootstrap server config. So we will pass here localhost 9092, right? Now we have to check why this is resolved, cannot resolve. Okay, actually I have not created the main class here. It's VM, right? I'll add here, right? Now dot put producer config dot key serializer. We'll use here a string serializer, and then class put producer value serializer. Just will also use the string serializer here. Dot class. I'm done with the basic configurations of the producer API, right? So now the next step to create producer, right? So Kafka producer. Now pass here the key is the string and the value is also the type is the string, right? And producer equal to new Kafka producer and pass the properties what we have set for the producer. Now my producer is ready, right? So we can, okay, 1 minute, what we have to do, just create one more logger here, private static logger is equal to log manager dot get logger, right? So that I can use for logging. Logger.info producer is created, right? My producer is created. Now I have to send some message, right? So let's say some basic message I want to send 5 messages, right? And I'll create here producer.send and I have to pass producer record, right? And I have to get producer record. The first we have to send topic name. So my topic name, let's say I have test topic, this is my topic name, and then let's say the key is key 1, key 2, it will iterate, and my message is simple message. Alright, right, now I'm done with the message. And finally, after loop producer dot close. Now my application is ready. What it will do, it will send 5 messages, simple message 1, simple message 2, simple 3 up to 5, and the key is with key. I'm sending with key, right? I'm sending with key. Now my message is ready, right? So before running this, what we have to do is how to test producer applications. First we have to start Zookeeper and all the servers, create topic if not created, run the producer applications, and then consume message from the topics using console consumer for testing, right? So see, I have already started my here Zookeeper, servers 0, server 1 and server 2, the 3 brokers I'm running here, 3 brokers, right? So from here what I can do is I can create the topics, Kafka topics hyphen create bootstrap server, topic name test topic, right? Hyphen replication factor 3 partitions 3. Yeah, there is some, let's check what is the error here. Okay, topic missing argument topic. Okay, bootstrap, I have didn't mention here the bootstrap configurations. So localhost 9092. Now my topic has been created. Let's send the message. Now run these applications. Now you can see the input producer is created, right? Now check. How to check? We have Kafka console consumer bootstrap server localhost 9092 topic, and the topic name topic, and from beginning, right? From beginning I want to see here 1 2 3 4 1 2, these are the message, right? Less than 5, that's why it is giving me message here. Let's say again from 6 to 10 I want to produce, just run it from here. You can see the terminal, you can see here 6 7 8 9. So see this successfully. Now the producer API is ready, which produce simple message directly, right? So we can see here some, like an order. So we will discuss in the next lecture finally when we talk about the partitions in great detail. Thank you very much for this session. We will see another producer example in the next video. Thank you very much.